02064707.
Thank you. The Signals Marketplace, your name, your location, what are you selling, what's special about your product and service, and how can we reach you? Your WhatsApp line is fine. And if you want to sell on behalf of your friend, spouse, now is the time to do so. Take a cup of coffee or tea or beverage and let's have a conversation. 0151519113 or 0151519113 or 0809 234 5913. Hello, good morning. Hello,
Hello, good morning.
good morning. Your name and where you calling us from? Call us back 0151519113 or 0151519113. Your name, your location, what are you selling, what's special about your product and service, and how can we reach you? Your WhatsApp line is fine 0809 234 5913 or 0151519113. Hello, good morning. Hello,
Hello.
good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Your name or where you
My
calling us
name is
from?
okay.
I am here, I can hear you. Hello, please call us back. Zero. Good morning. Hello. Just like that. The Signals Marketplace where we pitch and sell in 30 seconds. I understand it's the network and the weather. So call us 0151519113. 0151519113. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Your name or where you calling us from?
My name is Sulaiman. I'm calling you from Lagos, Mainland.
That's good. What are we
Yes, I
selling?
sell different kind of motorcycle, new motorcycle for delivery and personal use.
Okay.
My
So.
personal, my WhatsApp and call number is 080
Mm-hmm.
94
Mm-hmm.
51
Mm-hmm.
50
Mm-hmm.
40.
Thank you. Signals Marketplace 0809 191 3913 or 0809 234 5913 or 0809 222 0913. Your name, your location, what are you selling, what's special about your product and service, and how can we reach you? Your WhatsApp line is fine. 0151519113 or 0151509113. Your name, your location, what are you selling, what's special about your product and service, and how can we reach you? Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling back. Your name and where you calling us from?
My name is Richard Chibele.
Okay.
We stay in mainland and we specialize on car windscreens and the Honda motor spare parts.
Mm,
Our telephone number is 080 33 231 243.
thank you. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. 0151519113 or 0151519113. Your name, your location, what are you selling, what's special about your product and service, and how can we reach you? Your WhatsApp line is fine 0809 234 5913 0809 191 3913. Signals Marketplace, your name, your location, what are you selling, what's special about your product and service, and how can we reach you? Your WhatsApp line is fine 0151519113 0151509113. Signals Marketplace 0809 234 5913 or 0809 222, that's two in three places, 0913. And that's it for Signals Marketplace. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
Hopeful for today. Take this music and use it. Let it
Why do you
take
keep
you
smiling?
away.
As if you're laughing. Is it somebody making you laugh? I'm just like, somebody make you laugh. Okay, maybe that's how she has to keep herself.
There's a new cuisine in town. A glass of wine, a cup of
Holy
coffee,
Ghost.
and if you're like me, a glass of smoothie. With signals served on
Don't worry,
Lagos
I'll
Talks
tell you when we
91.3 every Saturday at 10 a.m. Your mind will dream again.
Whenever I tell people I'm a full-time master's student and a content creator,
Okay.
they go, huh? How are you able to do both all at once? You be rich? No be juju. Na MTN 5G. Ever since 5G came into my life, I've been on cloud 9. I get to take my classes online in real time and upload my videos before you say Jack Robinson.
Don't worry. Yeah,
Even
fine.
babe isn't left out. Our long distance is what's so strong.
Hello, babe. Can you hear me? Your video is frozen. Okay.
Good.
We don't do that here, because life is a breeze.
Experience the wonders of MTN 5G. Hyper-fast internet connection with no buffering, zero lag, and quality data capabilities like never seen before. No be juju, not MTN 5G. Now available on iPhone. MTN. What are we doing today?
Take this music and use it. Let it take you away. Let's be hopeful, and we'll make a way. I know it ain't easy, but
Welcome back to Signals on 91.3. Well, the calls is not me or his network, and we can continue Signals Marketplace next week. This morning we'll be looking at Insurance 101. I have refused to talk about what's going on in the country, so we can talk about it later. But right now we want to talk about Insurance 101. Special thanks to Uncle Yomi. As always, I have with me a sales professional, almost a decade, and that's precisely what she was created and called to be. She fulfills that purpose with grace and style. She functions as a unit head at her consulting company, and she's taking up this assignment to create awareness of the importance of retirement planning. Actually, it's a mission. A message is a message is secure your future at this age. And her superpowers are consistency, hard work, and creativity. And she's motivated by impact, success, freedom, and comfort. Married with 2 sons and a daughter. Now she has a management and MBA marketing. So all of that together, we're having this conversation, Insurance 101. And you ask me why? Because I'm wondering. Okay, so let me not wonder. Let me ask her. I have with me Ijeoma Chinaka. Okay. I got it small. So to be part of the program, you can send us a WhatsApp message 0809-234-5913. Before we delve into insurance that we're discussing this morning, you said you were created to be a sales professional. How is that so? Yeah.
How is that so?
Yeah.
Because I do it with ease.
Okay.
I do it with so much ease, so much joy. There's no difficulty.
Okay.
You know, they say sales is a difficult aspect, and I'm also I'm even in what you call a tough terrain in Nigeria.
Yes.
But I find myself flowing with ease, with joy, and with a lot of passion. I have been selling practically all my life. I remember when we were in university, I used to get maybe jeans fabrics, put it into skirts, shirts, jackets, and then sell. In fact, I have a close friend. She's also my coach, and she never forgets, because we went to secondary school, university together. She never forgets those times. You know, and so it's something I've done practically all my life. I'm somebody who likes to be independent.
Okay.
So even as a child, to go ask my dad for money was not that easy for me. I just wanted to call my own, shots, do my own thing, and have money in my hands.
Independent.
Yeah,
Have your
that's
money
it.
in
I
your
hope
hand.
I've answered you very well.
Now, some Nigerians, unless the conversation for this morning is 101 insurance. What is it about insurance? Some Nigerians are not into insurance. They believe nothing bad can happen to them
A
or them.
lot.
How do we enlighten people? What is your sales background?
Most Nigerians are not into insurance. That's why I said it's a hard place. It's a hard sell. Now, why? Because they've not come to understand why insurance is key, why it's important. And in fact, let me say it here, insurance is a necessity.
Okay.
It is a necessity.
Why?
You know, I say about myself that I'm a woman on a mission. Yes, because I consider myself with an assignment, a message to the public, to everybody, creating awareness. Yes, I'm a sales professional, yes, but what is most important to me is to enlighten, educate, inform, and then at the end of the day, help you with the processes. So I bring myself out everywhere that I am to let you know why you need to take insurance. Now, why do I say I can continue, right?
Yes, you can.
Let me explain what insurance is so that people are clear with it. We're simply saying life is full of risks. You step out of your house to go to work. Let me be honest with you, as a human being, it's just the mercy of God. There is no certainty that whosoever has left his or her house to work each day will return. There's no certainty that the person that drove out his car in the morning will return with that same car. The car could be stolen, it could catch fire, right? Anything could happen. The same thing about a house that one has built. There's no certainty that that house is going to remain from January to December. It could catch fire or whatever. Now, what we're just saying is, because there are so many risks, including your children's education, your retirement, your old age, we're just saying we are strong. We have the capacity. We've been there. We experienced. Just transfer your risks to us because we have the capacity.
But you understand that Nigerians are very finicky about when you say insurance, we're looking at you that do you want us to die? Nothing's going to happen to me.
Yes, I agree. You know, but that's another aspect of insurance. Like, I intentionally, when I was explaining, I didn't mention life. I mentioned your vehicle. I mentioned your house. I mentioned your child's education. I mentioned your old age, your retirement. I intentionally left out the life. But now you've asked me, why would anybody... selling insurance is not saying that the person is going to die. It's even an investment option.
Okay.
Because at the end of the day, the person doesn't die, the person gets the money back with a lot of, returns. So it's an investment option. Life insurance is an investment option. It gives you that aspect of, yes, if anything happens, if death occurs, your
children are safe.
Your children, your
next of kin,
your dependents are safe. But there's a plus. You have money. You have a room. You have room to invest. So come on, you have room to save. You have room to invest. So that's the additional aspect of the life insurance, like you have mentioned it now. You brought it up, so let's go there.
Because you also talked about retirement plan.
Yes.
Tell us about retirement.
Oh
so
my
that
God,
people
that's my passion.
Oh yeah, so let's hear it.
That's
Let's hear you
passion.
say that.
And that's where I say that I have a message, and it is securing your future at this age. What age? At 40s and 50s. Once you're up to the age of 40, hey, come on, you're getting there. You're nearing retirement. Whether it's 60 or 65. In fact, some people that I talk to tell me that they don't even have to get to that age. After all, everybody needs some form of rest. So, what plans are you making? How are you ensuring that you are ready at that time? Or are you one of the people that believe that the children are your retirement plan? That is a no. Not the children of this age.
Loud it for the
Not the
people
children
at
of
the
today.
back.
No way. You must plan your retirement. Put things together. Put your health in place. Because I don't just talk about money. I talk about everything. It's a complete package for me. Are you ready? Do you have the right, will you have, even if you have all the money, will you have the right health? Will your health be in place to enjoy that money?
For someone listening who is saying that, okay, you're saying we should put some things in place. I don't have the money. Now, I don't. Where do we start from?
People always say I don't have the money, but when there's an Ashoebi, they buy.
Okay.
I shouldn't go there, right?
Let's go there. Because, yes,
you know, what I'm actually saying, like I said, what is key for me is to inform you, is to educate you. And one of it is that you don't need to have all the money.
Okay.
The same way I want to buy Milo, I don't have money to buy the full tin.
I can buy sachets.
I can buy sachet.
Sachets for Nigeria.
Do you understand? You understand?
Yeah.
And you know that those sachets, they come in different sizes. I could buy the smallest. Oh, come on. But at the end of the day, I've taken Milo. So that's what we're saying, that different packages, insurance offers you different packages. That idea, that mindset that I don't have money it's not true. It's one of, look, if you consider it, if you look into it, it's one of the affordable things you could do. But just have the mindset. Just understand that you need it. It is a necessity. Maybe nobody has said it before. It is a necessity.
Is there a difference between pensions and insurance, or is it the same thing?
Now, it's not the same thing.
Okay.
Pension is what everybody that has been in paid employment has.
Okay.
Insurance is totally different. Yes, there's some companies that offer you the group life insurance, so that if the person dies, there's something usually minimal that your household receives. Office gets into that, so that's different. The pension talks about the retirement, while the life insurance is talking about, yes, let's look at it, if death occurs. And a lot of times, what I also offer, if accident occurs, where person has lost the arms or legs or something, you know, a part of him or her that will no longer allow him or her to continue to work. So in such cases, insurance comes in. But the retirement package that insurance companies offer is different from the pension.
Okay.
The pension, yes, they work, you know, hand in hand, because both will offer you funds, you know, consistently at retirement. But for that which we offer something extra. We offer you what will pay you until death. The pension doesn't pay till death. It stops at a point. Yeah, when it runs out, that's it. So if you take the one, so we usually advise that you have the two, if you can. Because the one we offer, the annuity we offer, we call it annuity plan, is a special retirement plan that we offer. That will take you till death. And at the end of the day, even at death, your dependents, your beneficiaries will receive a death benefit.
Okay, so what's the amount that one can start with?
You know, I said that packages, no matter how.
So tell us the is there anything as minimum?
It would be difficult to say that because insurance goes with age.
Okay.
Whether it's the life insurance or the retirement plan that you're taking, it goes with age. If you're younger, your premium, what you expect to your package, you know, will come to something less than when you're older. Okay. So the older you are, the more expensive and the less insurable you become. So there's a particular age, like age 65, that you're no longer insurable.
Ha.
Yes, that's it.
So no package.
No, let's be honest. No package.
I think the one you're talking about life insurance, my heart is doing BIM.
But you have a long way to go. So
okay. No, but really, it looks like that one has a long way to go, but it's almost as if there is a finality to it.
No, but you see, at that age, it might make sense to just take a retirement plan.
Okay.
It will accommodate that age. Retirement plan, the annuity accommodates, you know, the 60s.
Okay, so somebody's asking from Facebook and is saying that what's the purpose of the government third-party insurance on vehicles, especially which is when the bad roads sometimes lead to accidents. So this is vehicle insurance, I'm sure.
What's the purpose of the government third-party insurance?
Yes, on vehicle, especially when there's bad
But
roads.
the third-party insurance is also protecting you
Okay.
from accidents. So yes, the roads are bad, but see, this has to do with the government. You cannot help it. The roads are bad. It always makes sense to, work on yourself in life.
Okay.
That which you can help, that which you can do,
The
you
one you
do
can
for
handle.
yourself. The one you can handle, you go on and do. You don't go fighting another person's battle.
So we should leave that one for the government.
It's for the government, but now the roads are bad, so it's causing accident. You go get your insurance.
So we
but
do
I
personal-
always advise that you
Okay.
do a comprehensive vehicle insurance, not the third party. Try as much as possible to do the comprehensive, especially if you have an expensive car. But the third party is the minimal.
Okay, so
Or
before
is
we
it the minimum rather? So go ahead and do it. The roads are already bad, causing accidents. So go get your third party insurance.
It's Signals on 91.3. We're talking Insurance 101. If you have questions for our guest, you can call us or send us a WhatsApp message 0809-234-5913, 0809-191-3913, or 0809 WhatsApp 0809-234-5913. Now, are there different types of insurance? I was going to ask you that.
Yes, there are two types.
Please go ahead, share.
The life that we've talked about, the life and the general.
Okay, so what's
We
general?
split insurance into two: the life insurance, and the general. The general has to do with the vehicle insurance,
Okay.
the
Home insurance,
home insurance,
car insurance.
the travel insurance. We have travel insurance. You have the all the those are the I know home insurance has to do with fire and burglary. Yes. So
For some people, they'll say that, okay, yes, I've done insurance, but when it's time to reclaim my insurance, it's always anky-panky. Some people have that.
people have that impression, but that is false.
Okay.
That is false. Insurance has come to stay in Nigeria. The same way I say to people, the same way we never thought that we could have the
Tech.
tech,
Tech
the
has-
mobile phones.
yeah.
But today,
We
it's
have
come
it.
to stay.
But So
Insurance has come to stay, and we pay. We
heaven.
pay claims. The only problem, let me explain. The only problem is that insurance, there's a law. No premium, no cover. Anywhere in the world, not just Nigeria. You don't pay your premiums. Simple. There's no cover. Is a contract. I just explained earlier. We're saying hand over your risks to us. We have the capacity to handle if anything happens. Now, in that contract, I do my part, I play my part, you play your part. My part is to take care of you, to give you, ensure that you have peace of mind there and protect you. Yours is to pay your premium. You fail with on your own part. Hey, come on.
So are we paying premium monthly or just a one-off? So how does it work?
Premium, it depends on what you're looking at. Most times it's an annual thing, once a year.
Okay.
Except for those, if it's for life insurance or children education that opt for monthly, but usually it's once a year. If it's too hard for you, you could ask and we give you twice a year or quarterly. Those are allowed.
Okay. Now, for business owners, the question is, can I insure my business? Is there anything like that? Can I say, okay, this is my shop, this is my business, I want to insure it?
You can insure your
Assets.
company, your assets. Yes, when we say you're insuring your company,
Okay.
like where we are, is the assets that
Okay.
you're insuring.
So we have to be paying monthly for it.
You don't have to pay monthly. You could just pay once a year.
Once a year. Now, I have watched you in the past minutes. So happy talking about insurance.
Yes.
So what is it about insurance that gets you up in the morning? Because
What is it about insurance? No, I
Yes.
mentioned something. I said I consider myself a woman on a mission.
yes, but why insurance? There could be so many other things. But why did you
I'm a
choose?
sales professional, right?
Okay.
I have been that. I said that.
Yes.
And anything I set my hands to do,
Yeah.
I do it diligently.
Mm.
Now, but insurance has given me a totally different outlook to life. I see myself as somebody who has been called to help. To help. That's what I'm there for. To help people understand that this is important and help you with the process, guide you and support you. Be your friend, be your sister along the line. And by doing that, you have all 100% enlightenment. Okay?
Now, on your journey of helping people insure their properties and their assets, what have you seen so far? What has been people's responses?
Women respond more.
Why?
I don't know.
So why do you think women respond
I
more?
really can't see.
Okay.
I really, and that's funny. I didn't have such impression before, but that's what I've discovered.
So women respond to insurance.
Maybe women are, I don't know.
They
maybe
want the
we are
backup.
more- Yeah, maybe they want the backup. Maybe they understand it more. You know, a lot. Okay, that's another. Something just hits me now.
Yeah.
A lot of guys are into maybe business.
Yeah. So they don't
And
have time.
some will tell you, not necessarily time. They will tell you, some of them will tell you, some of them to put money. The money they will put into insurance. They will use it to invest in their business and make more. Come on, as if they're two different things. This one you're talking about, invest in your business. We are talking about
Your life.
your life. Or life is full of risks. Another understanding. Life is full of risks. One issue, one calamity, God forbid, can dry up one's resources, one's wealth. Just one little thing that happens can just clear everything. So what happens? The money that you were saying you want to, so at the end of the day, how far? There are times where there are cases, we've seen cases where a man tells you, I have so much, there's no point, I'm not doing any insurance. And before a year, 2 years, he passes.
What happened?
A very wealthy man suddenly goes.
That's
And
true.
then the family comes after his property. His wife and children are thrown out. So who were you making this money for in the first place? Why?
So is it that we don't have enough education?
Maybe. That's why I say I call myself a woman on a mission to create awareness. And I do that with so much passion. You said, how come? Why insurance? I wake up every morning. And it's just that I just want, okay, I believe also that I have the grace to teach.
Okay, because we need to go back to. I like what you said. Teach. So just pause on it first. We'll come back. It signals on 91.3. We're talking insurance. What is it about insurance? What are the myths and facts about insurance? And we have with us Ijeoma Chinaka. Ha! Good. I must get it.
What is this?
Yes, to enlighten us and educate us more about it. If you have questions or comments for her, you can call us and send us a WhatsApp message 0809 234 5913 or call us 0809 191 3913. Now, what are the certain? Now we're back to class, so it's teaching. What are the certain things that we need to know that, okay, so if we're saying, because we're discussing insurance 101, we're saying, what are the first 5 things you need to know about insurance?
That is a necessity.
Okay, 1, necessity. 2,
It would give you peace of mind.
peace of mind. 3,
3, that you need to hand over your risks. Okay, I think 3 is that life is full of risks.
Okay, so life is
No
full of
matter
risk.
what level where you are, anything can happen.
Okay.
Then number 4, that you need to hand over. You need to come into partnership with someone who has the capacity. A company with the capacity. a company that is experienced, a company that is big and reliable.
Okay.
That's it.
Now
I think I said 4.
It means what?
Number 5, you need to also know the law. No premium, no cover. Let me add number 6 if you don't mind.
Go ahead.
Let me add number 6. Number 6 is that we actually pay claims.
Okay.
Don't believe those that say we don't pay claims. We pay claims, but please pay your premium.
Okay, so pay insurance pay. Good. Now, but coming somewhere, you have told us that we can trust that the insurance pays claims.
Yes, we
now, a little bit. Let's come back to your sales, because you have to close the sale. Now, in terms of sales, how has that been? So, what do I mean by that? It means that you're selling, trying to sell to me, and I'm not accepting. I'm still giving you all the loopholes that no, it doesn't work and all of that. How do you then ensure that you close me? That okay, Oshodi, you must hear the word of the Lord.
Hear ye the word of the Lord.
That you need to do it. So tell us the process in having to close up a client.
Sales is relationship.
Okay, that's good.
That's big time. Oshodi, you need to hear the word of the Lord according to you. I'm following you up, but I'm following you up with sound relationship,
Okay.
friendship. So I'm around you.
Close backing me.
I'm around you. I may not even sell anything to you anymore, but I'm there. And there will be opportunities where I come in, I play my card, and one day you will buy. But again, another mistake salespeople make is, I said, what is key for me is educating people.
Okay.
Information, education, enlightenment. If I spend this time educating you, you will see the reason to buy insurance, except you don't have the money. Except you don't have the money. And one day, you will have the money, you will buy. There are clients that come even after 4 years. Because they've seen that you are authentic. That's another thing in sales. You're authentic. You're consistent. You are available. You are real. Your words are the same. You're honest. I don't sell what I don't have. I don't give what I don't have. I don't sell with lies. I sell what it is.
Okay. At least you won me over by telling me that insurance pays claim.
Yes, just pays claim.
Because that's some of the things that I think that's some of the things that has stopped people from wanting to believe that insurance is real, and if you come to meet them, they'll tell you that no, they will have to start to argue you with prices.
Let me explain. I'll tie this to. I talked about relationship,
Yes,
in the
please.
area of selling,
Yes.
and then you brought in the claim aspect. Now, when we have a relationship, and there's a claims around me, I could show you with style. You come to understand what I'm doing. It is clear. There's nothing hidden. Do you understand?
Yes.
That's part of relationship. Now, let me explain something else in this area of claims. I met somebody years back, and he told me seemed to be emotional about it, how their dad had done so much. In fact, I met 3 people, but this one was just someone I just met. The other 2 are people I know well. Now, this guy that the dad passed, he knew that everybody knew he had insurance plan, and and the insurance company failed to pay afterwards, and that broke them as a family. He seemed quite emotional, and I listened, and I listened with my heart. I felt him, but afterwards, my words, Daddy is not here to actually tell us what conspired between him and insurance
Company.
Daddy is not here, and that is it. That's a fact. Daddy is not here. What did Daddy do? Daddy could have given you the impression he was paying his premiums, but daddy was not paying his premiums. That is it. That's the gap.
Okay.
If you don't pay your premiums, like I said earlier, there is no cover.
Now, so where daddy doesn't tell the kids, because most Nigerian parents, we don't like to tell you who our next of kin is, because you're like, not even in these times where everybody's being careful that your next of kin can show you shaggy.
Yeah.
Right. And so where is that line? Where is that line of trust that, okay, we understand that this person has an insurance? Where does the insurance company is now coming, or the insurance person now comes in to explain to the family that, okay, this and this is what is going on? Because there are a lot of mothers, fathers who don't tell their kids, or children who don't tell their kids where the paper of their house is, just in case anything happens, because we're also dealing with human greed.
You know, things have improved.
Okay.
Technology. Right?
Yeah.
That was the guy, apparently. This happened like 4 years ago. And he said when he was much younger, so many years before the technology era, technology advancement. Now, today, in a twinkle of an eye, I send you your statement. The same way the banks have
alerts,
statements, alerts, is the same way we're functioning.
Okay.
So you want to tell me, you come to tell me, talk about your father's claims, I show your father's statement, and then you see whether your father was paying
or not.
It's clear. Today is easier.
It's not like before.
It's not like before.
Okay.
So nobody cheats the other. But your claims, the claims are paid. I have people, we have a life insurance plan. Like I said earlier, that insurance is an investment option. We have a life insurance plan that offers you a partial maturity every 5 years, every 3 years, every 4 years. You get a partial maturity from us. The full maturity comes at the end of the tenure, the insurance tenure. But this one, because we're saying, come on, instead of just pay, let this be a plus. Let this be, an encouragement to you. So we give you partial maturity in between. We have millions of people that can tell you that they have received their partial maturity. Okay,
so more or less, if top of my head, I'm looking at paying premium as saving for the future. Does that interpret?
It's also it's also a saving, opportunity. Also offers a saving opportunity. Yes.
Okay. It's Signals on 91.3. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere.
Come here.
There's a new cuisine in town. A glass of wine, a cup of coffee, and if you're like me, a glass of smoothie.
I hope you're fine.
Served on Lagos Talks 91.3 every Saturday at 10 a.m. Your mind will dream again.
We'll keep at it.
Okay, so we'll talk about that. Welcome back to Signals on 91.3. I have with me our guest, and we're talking Insurance 101. If you want to have questions or comments, you can call us or send us a WhatsApp message 0809 191 3913, or call us 0809 234 5913. If you have questions, conversations, she's here before she disappears. And then she's saying off air that are Nigerians really insurance people?
Nigerians are not, from my experience,
Why do you think we're
from
not?
Work experience, Nigerians are not. But it's not
as bad
people
as before.
like me. It's not as it's not as bad as before. And then people like me are not deterred as well at all. We're not discouraged.
You're a salesperson.
Yes, I'm a salesperson, and I'm a salesperson with a difference. I'm a salesperson who wants not just your money, but I want you to be enlightened. You need to know. So I'm not discouraged. We keep at it. You're there. I said I have the gift of teaching as well. So it's not a big deal for me to stay in the place of information, enlightenment.
Okay, so for why do you think that Nigerians are not insurance people? Is it because of religion or just because of that?
Religion is among, it's not my portion. It will not happen in Jesus' name. So I will tell you, God is my insurance. And they forget that the same God talks about that a good man leaves
Wealth for his people.
wealth for his children and his children's children. If a man dies without an insurance, what happens? He has left nothing.
You know what I'm saying them because it's hard having to change perception and cultural deep-seated cultural beliefs because we're wondering, okay, so what's going to happen? And then because of people's past experiences. But now I like the fact that you say insurance-based claim. So
Insurance-based claim.
if you are looking for, we have a caller. Hello, good morning. Call us back. Please do call us back. 0809-234-5913. You can send us a WhatsApp message or call us 0809-191-3913, 0809-222-0913, 0151511913. Now, before we go, I want you to touch back on the retirement plan. Can children begin to do retirement plans for their parents?
No. Retirement plans, you start retirement plan from the age of 25, 30.
25, 30.
25, 30, yeah.
Why that age?
Yeah, I yes, I believe that's where you have understanding of what you're doing.
So so I'm saying can children 21, 25 start to do retirement plans for their own parents?
Well,
Let's say I want to do for you.
yeah, but how old is that parent?
Okay.
I hope the parent hasn't gotten to an age where it's no longer possible.
So where is the age that we can't insure the life? 64, 70?
No. You start, like I said, you start from the age of 25, 30
Okay.
to start the plan. But you start benefiting as from like 50.
Okay.
Okay, now at this age, my son is 24. My son can take up a plan for me.
Okay.
He can take up what we call the immediate annuity. He can even do
What
that.
does annuity mean?
Annuity is a particular type of retirement plan. It's a
Okay.
retirement plan that pays as long as you live. It pays consistently
Okay.
until death. That's what annuity. That's the beauty about annuity.
Some people talk about flood insurance. What's it about flood insurance? Hear it.
Well, people have cases where maybe houses.
Okay. Hold on a second. Somebody on Facebook says, Remy says, why do we find people on Nigerian road fighting each other after car damage during accident, despite the fact that they have insurance? Is it because reclaim or repair doesn't get processed on time?
I think it's just a mindset thing. I think Nigerians I think most of us are we like that violence. But you see, I've seen some scenes, and within us, professionals, within us, during our professional meetings, we discuss these things. It's so sweet when you see two big boys that had an accident, two big boys driving two big cars, and then
Do you know who I am?
No. I said it's a beautiful scene, so it's a positive one. And see the two of them just get down, they shake, there's a handshake, they just exchange their cards, and they enter their vehicles and they move.
Yeah, no.
These are people. Why does that happen? They have understanding. They have comprehensive vehicle insurance. So it's not a big deal. They move.
But we that don't have money.
It's not money.
Okay.
It's understanding. If you have the money to buy a vehicle, then why wouldn't you have money to protect it, to shield what you have? There's something I say. That for me, just listen to this.
I'm with you.
You secure the things that you love. You secure the things that you love. What we are offering as insurance companies is security. That is what we're offering. Right?
Yeah.
Security. And we say, secure the things that you love. What are the things that you love? You love your health. You love your children. You love your family. You love your peace of mind. You love your comfort. Right?
Yes.
You love your business. We're simply saying secure those things that you love. If the car means anything to you, you would protect it with a life insurance. With an insurance.
Okay. You see, we should
And let me
protect-
also say the second one. What you do not secure will be lost. Anybody listening to me should catch these two. Secure the things that you love, and what you do not secure will be lost. If you do not secure that vehicle, it will be lost. So maybe that's why they're fighting.
Okay.
And a hungry man is an angry man. He already knows that the car is likely to be lost. So he's already angry and he's fighting.
Okay. I have a message from WhatsApp. It says, "Good morning, Lagos Talk. This is Ijeoma from Alimasho. While I'm waiting for you, what are the things that... So we have premium cover. Abi?
We have the premium.
Premium, and we have the general. And we have life.
We have the life and the general.
Life in general. Okay. It's signals on 91.3. I have like 2 to 3 minutes to go. Ikechukwu, I'm waiting for your message. Call us 0809-191-3913. And to have details, send us a message so that when you are running, if some insurance companies don't want to pay claims, then just send us that WhatsApp message. So I'll just transfer you to one directly.
So that's right. But make sure you have paid your premium. Your premiums are up to date. I will not fight your battle if they are not. Okay, so
Even if I pay 2 years.
If your premium is not up to date, I will not fight your battle.
Someone is also Ikechukwu is asking us for health insurance. How does that work?
I really don't handle health insurance.
Okay.
But I don't handle health insurance.
We have
But it's the same thing. What we're saying, insurance is the
same everywhere.
thing. It's the same everywhere.
Oh.
You have handed over. You want to take care of your
Basics.
your basics. You know, basic health care, right? And then you're paying a premium to ensure that you have that opportunity, that you have that grace. So when you go to the hospital, you're treated. You don't have to have money to go to the hospital. You know, things happen. Like my driver now, this one was telling me how he had an accident. He put his, some iron. So I told him, you must go to the hospital for an injection. Now he's looking at me. It could be that he doesn't have the money to go. Health insurance, you don't have to have money to go to the hospital for treatment because you're already paying your premium and then you have a cover.
Now, so someone is saying, "Hello, I'm learning. Please, what do I do if I can't remit my premium remaining 2 years to mature after I've been consistent for 5 years before I lost my job? Thanks, Ude."
You should have told your account officer what happened when you lost your job. You lose your job and you have a policy. The best thing is to discuss with your account officer for advice. But for me, I could have said to you at that time, please just surrender.
Okay.
Surrender the policy. Surrender your policy and get your money back.
Okay.
It is better than not paying
Anything.
Yes.
Okay, so my time is up.
I wanted to say something.
Oh, yeah, go ahead quickly.
I want to say, when you asked me why Nigerians don't, I wanted to say that yes, there's not enough information.
So we keep informing.
So we have to keep at this. I've come here now and to do this, and I'm so pleased, excited that I've done this. I do it. I keep speaking on Facebook, on Instagram, on my WhatsApp. I keep speaking. I have sessions. I have a session tomorrow. I keep speaking.
But we need
sessions.
we need more of you.
Yeah, more of us. Maybe we're so many. But maybe people are not as vocal as others. In the foreign, in advanced countries, you see this thing is going
Everywhere.
just the way you are having your commercial breaks.
Yeah.
Commercial breaks, you see people talking about. You see them insurance companies are talking about insurance. It is there. It's in everybody's face.
Okay.
And including the funeral packages. We have funeral packages. Yes, we have funeral packages where it's a situation where when you have that policy in place. The agent go And you don't have to run up and down borrowing or begging for money. You have a policy that covers it. We just fund it. We fund the funeral. This is a very key policy, especially at this time. We fund it. But I think a lot of people don't know what we're doing.
Don't worry. We'll keep talking about it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much, everyone.
I've had a nice time.
Thank you. For everyone who has called into somebody saying funeral package. Wow. See, I think the more we learn, the more we begin to know what is going on. As we always say on Signals, dream again, create opportunities for people. In these times that we're in, I'll tell you what I told myself when I went to go and look for fuel, and it was not funny. I said, Oshodi, we're going to ride against the tide. Have a wonderful week. Keep creating opportunities, and because people will be people, just create the opportunity. Have a wonderful week, and God bless.
See, ride against the tide. Ride against the tide. Ride against the tide. Insurance, ride against the tide. Be prepared before you understand. Mother was upset with me